raining so hard, I'm having to towel off my car when I get in. That's some rain. Focus my crispy. Is there a better way to do this? How do I? Hey, the lighting's actually not too bad in here. Alright, I'm on my way to Barnwell, South Carolina. That's where my cousin Dan lives. We're gonna do a bachelor-ish party. He didn't say bachelor party in the invite, but he texted all the groomsmen, hey, let's hang out and eat steak. So maybe there'll be another one? I don't know. I was expecting, like, bring all your guns sort of a bachelor party with him, because he likes guns. Yeah, so, you know, we're gonna have some fun in Barnwell. Small little town. It's nice. It'll be good. But I'm just trying to get there in the pouring rain. About road trips is whenever I see something cool I can stop. That's pretty neat burrito, right? I have no idea what this is, but it's cool, and there's no one on the road for me to run into, which is nice. Potash Corp. I wonder what Potash Corp is. Potash! This phone is hot. Oh yeah, she's at yoga or something. Alright, well, it's pouring rain still. Time to put on the rain jacket.
I haven't even opened it yet. Man dip. Buffalo chicken cheese dip, jalapeno popper dip, and original spicy sausage. Take the bank letter is just letting me know that my credit was increased. Great, but I don't need that anymore. The salt and pepper can go on the counter from the blender.
Or should we just go straight into it?
Okay.
Trial by fire, honestly.
Alright. So he's asking for lava is what he just said.
Yeah, I want lava. Volcanoes. Yes. There we go. That can be the central piece.
I'm genuinely thinking we need to build a volcano in the middle of the night. And they would swap this person out for whoever they wanted at any random time, and that's not how it works.
That is not okay.
Alright. I definitely don't know what I'm doing.
As far as
Getting on your level, and then...
oh look, they're buddies. They're about to high five.
1. No, you're not. Okay.
Well, he punched him. You just blocked it. And number 3. I have I have a sad. Number 3. I'm staying there.
Shoot.
It does mean he's dead.
Dead.
Yes. Dan disappeared. Oh my god.
You're about to die.
I'm gonna die. Dan, if you win this one. This will be the first time I ever win. Especially for the come from behind, because I was the first one to suffer. Right?
I'm gonna shoot it.
Victorious!
Hail, Savaris!
Way to go, Ford.
GG.
Well played.
GG.
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 Good stuff. 4th place for the win over here.
Considering I built that army to be a throwaway and got 2nd place. Lol.
You think so, new kitty? Every cat likes my feet. Can you roll over again? Or are you just gonna... Am I your new best friend? You're so much bigger than Boots. This cat. That's my hand compared to this cat. This cat is following me on a bike.